Fish oils are a very common and popular dietary supplement, but are these products actually delivering on their brand promise? My name is Dr. Nathan Bryan. I'm going to break down the science behind fish oils. You know, the DHA and EPA found in most commercial fish oil products are what we call lipophilic antioxidants, meaning that they prevent their antioxidants that work in a lipid environment, in the cell membrane. And oxidative stress, when we have lipid oxidation, that leads to cellular dysfunction. So I think it's very important that we have these fish oils present in our diet. Obviously, with any supplement, it's always best to get the nutrients direct from the source. The problem with many fish oil dietary supplements is in testing that a lot of these fish oils are oxidized. So they're rancid, oxidized fish oils. So when you take them, it could be leading to oxidation rather than an antioxidant effect. So I've gotten away from taking the common fish oil supplements. What I take every day is salmon roe, raw salmon roe. So it's a direct from the source, containing natural fish oils, direct from salmon. I take 6 capsules of these a day. Interestingly, I don't get the burpy taste that you get with most fish oils. So for me, this works great. But again, when we look at the science behind this, because the cell membrane is made up of a lipid bilayer, and we have cholesterol in here, and we have to maintain some membrane fluidity. So when we have an extracellular signal, that signal can able to transduce through that cell membrane and start to initiate the inside of the cell to respond to the outside environment. And that's signal transduction. That's how every cell in the body communicates and responds to the environment. If we have oxidized lipids, if we get our cholesterol too low, we lose membrane fluidity, then we lose that intracellular signaling aspect. And so that's where fish oils, lipophilic antioxidants, can preserve the membrane integrity, preserve the signal transduction within the cell, and maintain the cellular activity with every cell in the body. So fish oils are very important, but understand what you're taking, look for quality products. Again, I encourage people to take it directly from the source. If you eat a high fish diet, you're probably getting enough of these natural fish oils from your diet and probably no reason to supplement. Again, nutrients direct from the source is always the best medicine. There's a new science of about 15 or 20 years in the nitric oxide field that nitric oxide can actually modify lipids and lead to these nitro fatty acids. And that's shown to convey some antioxidant activity and actually transduce nitric oxide activity. So with your fish, with a meal, with dietary supplements, I think it's always best practice to take our nitric oxide supplement, the N101 nitric oxide releasing lozenge, and you can potentiate the effects of these dietary supplements. Not only are you going to get better transport and delivery of those supplements, because with the nitric oxide lozenge, we're going to open up the microcirculation, dilate blood vessels, get better delivery, but it's going to lead to better signal transduction and conveying that nitric oxide activity by creating these nitro fatty acids.